Good afternoon, students. Okay, listen now. Let us do four. Listen once again. Uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Uniform motion means uniform motion. If a body covers equal distance in equal intervals of time is called a uniform motion. Next, non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion. If a body covers unequal distance in equal intervals of time or equal distance in unequal intervals of time is called a non-uniform motion. So here let us do four. Identify the uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Okay, the first one. Let us do four. Page number 31. Movement of a hands of a clock. So movement of a hands of a clock is moving with a uniform motion. So that is KBF U. Okay. Next, a boy cycling on a crowded place. That is non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion NU. Next, movement of a housefly. That is also non-uniform motion. Okay, next one, the fan in an air cooler running at a fixed speed. So it is uniform motion, that is equal to U. Okay, next one, a train entering into the railway station. A train entering into the railway station, it is going with different speeds. So that is non-uniform motion, NU. Next one, kite in the air, that is also non-uniform motion. Okay, NU. Next, rotation of the earth is uniform motion. Rotation of the earth is uniform motion. It is a, let us do four. Identify the uniform and non-uniform motion now. Listen once again. Uniform motion. If a body covers equal distance, in equal interval of time, then the motion is called uniform motion. Non-uniform motion. If a body covers unequal distance, in equal intervals of time, that is called non-uniform motion. Okay. Uniform motion, if a body covers equal distance in equal intervals of time. Non-uniform motion, if a body covers unequal distance in equal intervals of time. Okay. Next one, types of motion is given. Types of motion. Next one, types of motion. In your textbook, only three types of motion is given. One is, in your textbook, only three is given. Translated motion, rotating motion, and oscillatory motion. Types of motion. Types of motion. First one is translatory motion. Okay. First one is translatory motion. Okay. Next one, rotatory motion. Okay. Next, rolling motion. Next one, periodic motion. And next one, oscillatory and vibratory motion. This is the first one, translatory motion. Translatory motion. Okay. In this translatory motion, linear motion or rectilinear motion. Linear motion and circular motion. Okay. Next one, rotatory motion. rotatory motion. Next one, rolling motion. And the fourth one, oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion and vibratory motion. And vibratory motion. So translatory motion means the motion in which a body moves as a every object or every point in the moves in the same direction is called a translatory motion. Means all the parts of a moving body, translatory motion is all the parts of a moving body move in the same direction. Okay, for example, bus is moving. Okay. Okay, it is a bus. Just imagine. Okay, bus moving right side. Okay, that means the all the parts of a moving body means wheels, windows, okay, and lights. All the parts of a moving body move in the same direction. That is called a translatory motion. Listen once again. All the parts of a moving body move in the same direction. That is called a translatory motion. The motion of a car. Next, apple falling. Are the examples for the translatory motion. Translatory motion is can be divided into again three types: linear motion, rectilinear motion, and curvilinear motion, and random motion. Listen, translatory motion. All the parts of a moving body move in the same direction is called a translatory motion. First one, translatory motion. Translatory motion. All the parts of a moving body, all the parts of a moving body, all the parts of moving body move in the same direction. Move in the same direction is called a translatory motion. For example, moving car, a moving car. Okay, free falling body, free falling body, or free fall. A body thrown vertically from the height of from certain height. These are the examples for the translatory motion. Here, translatory motion can be divided into three types. First one is it can be divided into three types. First one is linear motion. Linear motion. Okay, or rectilinear motion. Linear motion or rectilinear motion. Rectilinear motion. Rectilinear motion. Okay. Next one is curved motion or circular motion. Next one is circular motion. Third one is circular motion. Third one is, what is third one? Random motion. Random motion. These are the examples for the translatory motion. These are once again all the parts of a moving body move in the same direction. That is called translatory motion. For example, moving car, free falling body. Okay, apple falling from the tree in vertically downward direction. Listen. Okay, a chalk piece is falling on certain heights, straight line. So these are the examples for the translative motion. Translative motion can be divided into again three types. One is linear motion or rectilinear motion, curvilinear motion, and random motion. Curvilinear motion or curved motion, curved circular motion. These are the examples for the translative motions. So a linear motion means the movement of a body along a straight line is called a rectilinear motion. So rectilinear motion, next one. Rectilinear motion means a body moving in a straight line. Rectilinear motion. Rectilinear motion. Rectilinear motion. Okay, if a body, the movement of a body along a straight line is called a rectilinear motion. The movement of a body, the movement of a body the movement of a body or the momentum of a body along a straight line. The momentum of a body along a straight line. Along a straight line is called a rectilinear motion. Is called a rectilinear motion. These many types of motions are not in your textbook. Even though I am explaining you now, listen carefully. Okay, the motion of a bullet fired from the gun. The momentum of a or the motion of a gun. Examples: the motion of a bullet fired from a gun is in straight line. The motion of a bullet fired from a gun, okay, it is a straight line. For example, it is a gun. After firing, the bullet is moving straight line. The bullet is moving straight line. It is a bullet. Okay, it is the motion of the bullet in straight line. Okay, it is about a rectilinear motion. The motion of a car along a straight line. Next example, the motion of a car along a straight line. Second one, the motion of a moving car along a straight line. Moving along a straight line. Okay, these are the examples for the rectilinear motion. Next, curvilinear motion. The movement of a body along a curved path. The movement of a body along a curved path is called a curvilinear motion. The movement of a body along a curved path, along a curvilinear motion or circular motion. Circular motion or curvilinear motion. The movement of a body, the momentum of a body along a curved path, the movement of a body along a curved path, the movement of a body along a curved path అలాగే కర్వ్డ్ పాత్, అలాగే కర్వ్డ్ పాత్ is called a circular motion. Is called a circular motion. Is called a circular motion. Okay, examples for the circular motion now. The winding of a stone tied to a string is an example of the circular motion. Okay, next rotation of the example one for the circular motion. The motion of a car, the motion of a car along a curved road is an example of the circular motion. Next one, whirling of a stone tied to a string is also an example of the circular motion. Next one, rotatory motion, the motion of a body in which every particle on it moves along a circular path about a fixed axis, that is called a rotatory motion. That is called a rotatory motion. Okay, ma. Next one, random motion, the translatory motion of a body which keeps changing its direction in disorderly manner is called a random motion. The changing position of a body is disordered manner. The position of a body is changing its direction in disordered manner, that is called a random motion. For example, motion of a football, its direction will be changing randomly. Depends on the force applied by your foot. Okay, next, hockey player on the ground. Hockey players also change its direction randomly. Changing its position disordered manner, that is called a random motion. Next one, rotatory motion, the motion of a body in which every particle on it moves along a circular path about a fixed axis, that is called a rotatory motion. Okay, here axis is fixed. The motion of a body, the axis is fixed, that is called a rotatory motion. Next one, rotatory motion. Rotatory motion, the motion of a body in which every particle on it moves along a circular path, about a fixed position, a fixed axis. It is called a rotatory motion. It is called a rotatory motion. Example: spinning tap. A spinning tap. Second one, rotation of the earth about its axis. Rotation of the earth. Rotation of the earth about its axis. Okay. Movement of a blades of a fan. Third one. Movements of the blades of a fan. Next one. These are the examples for the rotatory motion. Next one, rolling motion. The motion in which a body undergoes both translatory as well as rotatory motion is called a rolling motion. Rotatory motion and the rolling motion. Okay, ma. Next one, rolling motion. Next one, rolling motion. Rolling motion. The motion of the motion in which a body undergoes both translatory motion, both translatory as well as rotating motion, as well as rotatory motion is called a rolling motion. Is called a rolling motion. For example, the motion of a cylinder on the inclined plane. The motion of a cylinder. Example, the motion of a cylinder. The motion of a cylinder on an inclined plane. On an inclined plane. It is a vehicle. It is an inclined plane. Okay. It is the object. Okay. Now we are placement of force in vertically upward direction. Now it is rolling like this, like this. Okay, it is a example of the rolling motion. Okay. The moment of a drill machine also rolling motion. Okay. Next. the motion in which repeats itself at a regular intervals of time is called a periodic motion. Periodic motion means the action repeats at a particular interval of time. The action repeats at a particular interval of time, that is called a periodic motion. For example, rotation of the moon around the earth, it is happens in a particular interval of time. Next, heartbeat in the healthy persons, heartbeat of the healthy persons also repeat at a particular interval of time, that is called a periodic motion. That is called a periodic motion. Periodic motion means the action repeats at a particular interval of time, that is called a periodic motion. Examples: the motion of the moon around the earth. Next one, the motion of the earth around the sun. Next, heartbeat in a healthy persons. The motion of a simple pendulum of a clock. So, simple pendulum of a clock, it is repeats at a particular interval of time, that is called a periodic motion. The motion which repeats itself at a regular interval of time. Regular intervals of time is called a periodic motion. Periodic motion. Examples are: first one, motion of the earth, the motion of the earth around the sun. Next one, the motion of the moon around the earth. Motion of a pendulum of a clock. Motion of the pendulum of a clock. These are the examples for the periodic motion. Okay, next one, oscillating motion and vibratory motions. So oscillating motion means the to and from motion of a body along the same path, that is called oscillating motion. Next one, oscillatory motion, the to and from both are in the same path, that is called oscillatory motion. Oscillating motion, the to and from both are in the same path. The to and from both are in the to and from motion of a body. Motion of a body along the same path. Along the same path. Along the same path. Along the same path is called oscillatory motion. Example sum. The motion of a pendulum of a wall clock. Motion of the pendulum. Motion of the pendulum of a wall clock. Next, a child on a spin. Next one, motion of the okay. Okay, next one, vibratory motion. Vibratory motion. Last one, vibratory motion. So once again, oscillatory motion. That one for both are in the same. For example, it is a bob. It is moving like this. Two one for both are in the same path. That is called oscillatory motion. Next, vibratory motion. It is the part of the oscillatory motion. Vibratory motion. Vibratory motion. Vibratory motion. Small and rapid. To and fro. Movement of a body. Movement of a body or a part of it from its main position. From its main position. Main position. Is called a vibratory motion. Is called a vibratory motion. Is called a vibratory motion. Small and rapid oscillations, or the small and rapid oscillations are called a vibratory motion. Or we can write the small and rapid oscillations. Rapid oscillations. Oscillations are called vibratory motion. Is called vibratory motions. String of a guitar vibrate in the string. String of a guitar is also vibratory motion. So these are the examples for the types of motion.